We have here a waste management front end loader with a garbage fire. We got two fire crews here. There's a waste management truck there. Still hosing down some hot spots here. It is 5:25 a.m. Sunday morning. Sounds like the front end is hacking the blade there, make sure everything's out. This is what we are told to do if we have a fire in the truck. Find a safe spot to eject the load, and that's what this driver of this waste management truck did. Looks like the crews here, fire crews, are connected to the hydrant, so they'll have lots of water. Going over the decon here. From what I understood over the radio, there wasn't too much of a fire. Looks like we have a CNG. It's probably a high-old body. Looks like I forget the truck manufacturer. See all the ejected garbage here. Definitely wasn't a full load. Fire crews here. Let's see if I know this driver. Looks like the fire's out. Something in that box. It's still smoldering. Most of the cause of these garbage truck fires are people putting rechargeable batteries in the garbage where they're not supposed to go, and they ignite. You know, cardboard, paper. Truck leaving already. It down a little bit more here. We still have the line charged here, so plus they're connected to the fire hydrant now, so water. See the truck here, Heil. It's Autocar, that's what it is, Autocar. Yeah, CNG, looks like a fairly new truck. Ejected the load here. Talking to the district manager here for waste management, and they said you have to tow the truck. That's company policy. Anyways, I don't want to show too much here. Yeah, CNG, the tanks are in the tailgate here. District manager wasn't very friendly, so I don't want to hang around too much. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Wasn't much of a fire anyways, it was just smoldering, but well, here we go. We're gonna end this video now. You can see the trash is still there. District manager is all the way over there. Just talking to the firefighters there a little bit. Here's the trash. Here's the garbage truck. Yeah, it looks like we have Autocar, Heil body, CNG, waste management. Still with the old name, I guess, on the side. Right now they're just going with WM. That's their new paint scheme, I guess. Just WM. Anyways, time to go back to bed. There's the garbage. Talking to the firefighters, they were saying it was a box of lighters that ignited and caused the fire. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like. Once I just said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye for now. From Scarborough, which is a part of Toronto. It is 5:47 in the morning, Sunday morning.